This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Shauna Lane. Imagine a 4-bedroom stunning home located in a quiet, friendly neighborhood. Home offers many great features to include an open floor plan, engineered hardwood floors throughout downstairs, a large pantry, granite countertops, 42 kitchen cabinets, double bowl vanities, and a screened-in porch that is a must-see. Oh, but there is more. The upstairs master suite has a huge walk-in closet, a luxurious tiled shower with glass enclosed doors and a separate soaking tub. This home is none like no other. No need to imagine, because this home can be your next reality. Call today for your private or virtual showing. For more information, review the details below or contact Shauna Lane at 757-65